Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another video, and this is going to be our 2025 Valentine's Day vlog. So without further ado, let's get started. So a bit of a context, I am all ready. As you can see, I am wearing a pretty red bodycon dress. Today is the 14th of February and we are going to a friend's place for a Valentine's Day party. A lot of people are coming and it's going to be a fun evening of games, food and more. Super excited for that. The theme that they mentioned was red for girls and black for boys, so otherwise dressed in all black. But before we get started with the evening, let me roll the clips of what we did yesterday. So Valentine's Day is tomorrow. Today is the 13th, but we are going to prepare a dessert today because we are going to a potluck at a friend's place tomorrow evening, where like all the couples are going to like meet. We are going to have some like fun games, activities and things like that. Super excited for that. But our dessert needed time to freeze. Basically, we have to keep it overnight in the refrigerator. And we are making a bourbon cheesecake. This is the first time we are trying that out. We are going to follow Shivesh's recipe. I will link it down below in case you want to check it out as well. But that's what we are basically going to do today. For the bourbon cheesecake, you require obviously bourbon biscuits. Then you require some whipped cream, cream cheese, whipping cream, some chocolate chips and sugar. Step number 1 is done. We have arranged all the biscuits. And now we need to crush these bourbon biscuits so that forms the base of the cheesecake. So the crushed biscuits are ready, and now we need to add 3 tablespoons of melted butter in the crushed biscuits. I think it looks fab. We are done with the base layer of cheesecake and then the sides. Next up, we are going to add some cream cheese. We need to add 3/4 cup of cream cheese. We have this Philadelphia original cream cheese, 2 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. We are just going to melt these up. We got the Nestle Toll House 53% cocoa dark chocolate chips. So we're going to melt this up in the microwave and then add it to the cream cheese. Next up, we have to prepare the chocolate ganache for the top. I'm using this heavy whipping cream and then the chocolate chips that I just showed before, the Nestle 53% cocoa chocolate chips. You have to use 1:1 ratio. So if you use like 1 cup of heavy cream, you have to use 1 cup of chocolates. And I'm going to just heat it up in a microwave oven. We have switched to using a double boiler to melt these chocolate chips because it was taking a while to melt them in the microwave. Yummy. Next up, we need to add some whipped cream. There are 2 options. Either you can buy this kind of like whipped cream, that is what we have done, or you can also take the heavy whipping cream and just like whip it with like a hand mixer till you get soft peaks. And we are done with the cheesecake. This is how it looks like. Love it. Also, we need to refrigerate it now. In the video, it's mentioned that you can refrigerate anywhere around like 4 to 6 hours, but we are just going to refrigerate it overnight because the party is tomorrow. Super excited for everyone to taste it. But it was such a fun activity together as well, right?
Yeah, a lot of fun.
we love it. We love like making desserts, like baking in general. So this was definitely like a refresher from the usual routine. So back to today, our cake is all ready. Let's take it out from the refrigerator and then head over to our friend's place. This is how we have wrapped the cake. And this is Advai's OOTD, black on black.
Orange, lemon, and carrot.
Carrot.
Grapefruit.
सारा grapes बोल देती.
3 Punjabi surnames.
Singh, Alia, Aluwalia.
Oh, Alia.
Alia तो नाम है. 3 Muslim girl names.
Saira, Myra,
Alia.
Shania.
Myra नहीं Shania.
And that's basically it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We had a blast celebrating Valentine's Day with all of our friends. My favorite part was definitely playing the games. It was so much fun. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel below. Follow me on my Instagram and I shall see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye.